This bowl is very, very pretty. It's glass, frosted gold on the back, and I'm trying to get colors, but I don't know if I can. I had some problems with it. It comes with two pipes. This one is, I don't know where you call it, where the threads won't catch. So I've tried both ends of that one, on both ends of this one, which is supposed to make it taller, but it just will not catch, which means my whole thing is considerably short, as you can see here. So that's my first problem. By the time you get this into the ground, it's only, 10, 12 inches high, and for a bird feeder, that's kind of low. My second problem is, I don't know if you can see the marks on this. The coloring came off as I continued to try to screw this one in. The more I tried to screw this one in, the dirtier my hands were getting, and I couldn't figure out what in the world was going on until I looked closer and realized, oh. So confidence is low that this is going to last outside long, but it is pretty. I think maybe I'll use it kind of, I don't know, just as a decoration. See if the birds like it or not. It is really low, though.
Not deep enough for birds to, it's also not sturdy enough for them to, it's pointless. It's mostly just adornment.